Hello friends, today in this video I will explain about VAR and dynamic. So VAR and dynamic is really important topic for interview point of view. So we will explain VAR and dynamic is separately end to end. So let's start. So I have written some points for VAR and dynamic. So where first point is where is a statically type variable. So in simple word we can say that just like a static, correct? So where we have to initialize before use and we have to assign the value of where. Second line, where does not allow the type of value assigned to be changed after it assigned to it. So it's very simple. So suppose that in where you have assigned once integer value, so next time you have to assign same variable in where integer value. If you try to another type value, so it's showing the error at the compile time. And third one is that intelligence help. So intelligence available for the where variable. So as per my understanding, I simply say that where is a statically variable and where does not allow any types of dynamically assignment. Suppose that you assign the once integer value, next time you cannot assign string value, correct? And we have to assign where value if we are defining that times, and intelligence also available for where. So let's move to the code side for practical example, correct? Suppose that I put here where my name, correct? In my name I put here one, okay, it's fine. And I am putting here my name is equal to, for example, like that, correct? So you can see that here it's showing where cannot implicitly convert type string to int. So and I have already mentioned one point. So where and for that where I define like that, where x, correct? So it's showing error where x. So declare but never use. So above first line it's mentioned where whenever we have to use where, that times we have to initialize where first before used, correct? And similar, suppose that I use dynamic here, similar way dynamic x. So here you can see that here before the, oh sorry, actually x2. So x2 is a dynamic, no need to assign any value. But in case where we have to assign the value, we cannot put like that. Okay, I hope you understand these points. Where and dynamic here is the point of initialization, correct? And second thing is that where value we cannot use, like where we have used here, where we have used like my name and one, and I'm trying to here my name HKJ is something, so it's showing compile time error. For that in x2 I assign here value, for example EE, correct? I come back here and x2 is equal to 1, so it's not showing error. So in both lines you can easily understand where we have to assign value, but dynamic we don't need to assign the value, we can declare only, right? So where suppose that we have defined the value integer, but we cannot assign again same variable any other data type. But in dynamically we can assign any data type value, like and first time I assign here string value, and then I move to the assign the value here one, okay? And so point of it, last point is like intelligence, and we are talking the point of the intelligence. So suppose that I remove just for a second here, or we can just suppose that I'm just checking intelligence for my name. Actually, a back a dot. So showing here multiple intelligence compared to equals get has code, get type code, like that. Okay. So in simple, when I try to intelligence on x2, X to a dynamic variable. So after dot, nothing is showing. So here, intelligence point of view. So intelligence enable for where character, where data type, but not enable for dynamic. I hope you understand difference between where and dynamic. So where and dynamic really important.